Jack's incredible journey to revitalized health has captivated millions seeking the fountain of youth in their own kitchens. At 89 years old, Jack moves with the energy and clarity of someone decades younger, all thanks to his revolutionary morning routine targeting the body's fundamental aging mechanisms. If you're fascinated by health wisdom that combines cutting-edge science with practical daily habits, this information about telomere protection and stem cell support could transform your understanding of aging. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to join our community of health enthusiasts exploring these breakthrough insights together. Your engagement helps us reach more people with this life-changing knowledge that Dr. Li has dedicated his career to researching. Dr. Li Yang, with over 4 decades specializing in longevity medicine at prestigious research institutions, discovered the connection between specific breakfast combinations and cellular regeneration. After witnessing remarkable recoveries among patients who adopted his nutritional protocols, he began documenting these cases, including Jack's extraordinary transformation. What makes this approach unique is how it addresses aging at the cellular level, specifically targeting telomeres, those protective caps on your chromosomes that shorten as you age, much like the plastic tips on shoelaces fraying over time. The science behind telomeres has revolutionized our understanding of aging. Each time your cells divide, these protective end caps get slightly shorter. When they become too short, cells stop dividing properly or die off entirely. This process manifests as what you recognize as aging: wrinkles, decreased energy, cognitive decline, and increased susceptibility to disease. What if you could slow or even partially reverse this process through foods you enjoy every morning? That question drove Dr. Li's research for years before developing the protocol that transformed Jack's life and health trajectory. You might wonder how Jack discovered this approach when conventional medicine offered him little hope. After retiring as a university professor at 75, Jack noticed alarming changes: constant fatigue, foggy thinking, and joint pain that limited his beloved gardening hobby. Standard medical advice and prescriptions provided minimal relief. By chance, he attended a wellness seminar where Dr. Li presented research on nutritional approaches to cellular aging. Skeptical, but desperate, Jack decided to try the recommended breakfast regimen for 3 months. The results surpassed anything he had imagined possible. Within weeks, Jack experienced improved sleep quality and mental clarity. By month 2, friends commented on his improved complexion and energy levels. After 3 months, his doctor was astonished by improvements in multiple biomarkers, including inflammatory markers and improved cardiovascular measures. Most remarkably, specialized testing revealed that his telomere shortening had slowed significantly compared to baseline measurements. Jack had essentially turned back his biological clock through consistent daily nutrition choices targeting these critical cellular structures. The foundation of this telomere-supporting breakfast begins with specific berries rich in compounds called anthocyanins. Blueberries, blackberries, and especially the less common aronia berries contain powerful antioxidants that help shield telomeres from oxidative damage. Research indicates these compounds activate pathways that enhance natural cellular protection mechanisms. You can experience these benefits by incorporating a generous half-cup serving of mixed berries into your morning routine, either fresh or frozen depending on seasonal availability and your budget. Wild blueberries deserve special mention for their exceptional properties. Unlike conventional cultivated varieties, wild blueberries contain significantly higher concentrations of antioxidants due to their adaptation to harsh growing conditions. These resilient little fruits pass their protective compounds onto you when consumed regularly. Their unmatched ability to neutralize free radicals makes them particularly valuable for preventing the oxidative damage that accelerates telomere shortening. When wild varieties aren't available, conventional blueberries still offer substantial benefits. Alongside berries, sprouted seeds provide critical nutrients supporting telomere maintenance. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds deliver essential fatty acids including omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds help regulate inflammation throughout your body, creating an internal environment where cellular repair mechanisms can function optimally. Dr. Lee recommends pre-soaking these seeds overnight, which initiates the sprouting process and dramatically increases nutrient bioavailability. Just 2 tablespoons of this sprouted seed mixture provides remarkable nutritional density. The protein component of this regenerative breakfast comes from specific amino acid profiles found in particular food combinations. Free-range eggs provide complete protein, including all essential amino acids your body needs for cellular repair. The specific proteins found in egg yolks contain compounds that support DNA repair mechanisms closely linked to telomere maintenance. For plant-based alternatives, a precise combination of quinoa and specific legumes provides similar amino acid profiles. This protein foundation gives your body the building blocks needed for cellular regeneration. Certain aromatic spices play crucial roles in this formula through their ability to activate genetic pathways involved in cellular repair. Turmeric contains curcumin, which research indicates may help activate telomerase, the enzyme responsible for rebuilding telomeres. Ceylon cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, creating stable energy conditions where cellular repair thrives rather than facing constant inflammatory stress from glucose fluctuations. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of each spice integrated into your breakfast provides these benefits without overwhelming the flavor profile. What makes this approach particularly effective is the precise timing of consumption. Dr. Lee explains that cellular repair mechanisms follow circadian rhythms, with peak activity occurring in specific windows. Consuming this telomere-supporting breakfast within 1 hour of waking optimizes your body's natural repair cycle. This timing aligns with your cellular regeneration schedule, maximizing the effectiveness of these nutritional components. Your body is essentially primed for repair during this morning window in ways that diminish later in the day. Beyond individual ingredients, the synergistic combination creates effects greater than any component alone. Research indicates that certain phytonutrients enhance the absorption and effectiveness of others when consumed together. For example, the fat-soluble compounds in egg yolks help your body absorb the curcumin from turmeric much more effectively than either food eaten separately. This principle of food synergy forms the cornerstone of Dr. Lee's approach to nutritional longevity and explains why this specific combination yields such remarkable results. Many conventional breakfast foods actually accelerate telomere shortening through multiple mechanisms. Refined carbohydrates cause blood sugar spikes that generate advanced glycation end products, which directly damage telomeres and accelerate cellular aging. Processed meats contain compounds that increase oxidative stress and inflammation. By replacing these harmful options with telomere-supporting alternatives, you not only gain the benefits of protective foods, but also eliminate exposure to substances actively accelerating your cellular aging process. Jack incorporated hydration as a critical component of his morning routine. He begins each day with room-temperature water infused with lemon and a small amount of mineral-rich salt. This simple practice helps restore optimal cellular hydration after sleep, creating the ideal environment for nutrient delivery and waste removal at the cellular level. Proper hydration ensures your cells can efficiently utilize the telomere-supporting nutrients in your breakfast. Most people underestimate how this basic step amplifies the effectiveness of their nutritional choices. The regenerative benefits extend beyond telomeres to stem cell function. Your body maintains populations of these remarkable cells that can develop into specialized cell types when needed for repair and regeneration. Research suggests certain nutritional compounds, particularly those found in deeply pigmented berries and green tea help maintain stem cell functionality with age. By supporting both telomere length and stem cell viability, this breakfast approach addresses multiple aspects of cellular aging simultaneously. Green tea serves as the ideal beverage companion to this longevity breakfast. Its catechin compounds, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, have been extensively studied for their effects on cellular aging pathways. Research indicates these compounds help activate sirtuins proteins that regulate cellular health and longevity. By replacing coffee with matcha or high-quality green tea as your morning beverage, you add another dimension of support for your telomere maintenance systems while providing gentle, sustained energy without the cortisol spike associated with coffee. Jack incorporated specific preparation methods that maximize nutritional availability. Gentle cooking temperatures preserve delicate compounds that would otherwise be destroyed. For instance, he prepares eggs at lower temperatures to preserve the integrity of phospholipids important for cell membrane health. Seeds are soaked overnight to neutralize compounds that would otherwise block mineral absorption. These preparation details might seem minor, but significantly impact how your body accesses and utilizes these powerful nutrients. Dr. Lee emphasizes that consistency matters more than perfection. Jack follows this protocol approximately 80% of the time, allowing flexibility for special occasions or travel. This balanced approach prevented the stress and eventual abandonment that often accompanies overly rigid regimens. Your body responds to patterns established over time, rather than occasional perfect days. By making this breakfast your norm rather than your exception, you create the conditions for cellular repair to occur consistently. The compounding benefits of this approach extend beyond cellular measures to practical quality of life improvements. Jack regained the ability to garden for hours without fatigue, resumed traveling internationally without recovery days, and experienced renewed mental clarity for writing and teaching. Most importantly, he reclaimed confidence in his future, planning projects and adventures years ahead, rather than living with the diminished expectations often accompanying advanced age. Your investment in cellular health through daily nutrition choices yields returns across all aspects of your life. What would regaining lost energy and resilience mean for your relationships, hobbies, and sense of purpose? Imagine approaching each day with the physical capacity to engage fully with everything that matters most to you. This regenerative breakfast represents a practical pathway toward that reality, accessible without expensive supplements or medical interventions. Your kitchen can become your personal longevity laboratory through these evidence-based food combinations focused on telomere protection and stem cell support. We invite you to experience these benefits firsthand by incorporating this telomere-supporting breakfast into your routine for just 30 days. Notice the changes in your energy, mental clarity, skin appearance, and overall resilience. Document your journey and share your results with our community of health explorers. Your experience could inspire someone else seeking solutions to similar challenges. Please like this video if you found this information valuable, subscribe to receive more life-changing health wisdom, and share with friends or family members who might benefit. Together, we can build a community dedicated to reimagining what aging can be through practical, delicious daily choices that nurture our bodies at the cellular level.